we now talk about the JSPs. JSP is a Java Server Pages. Java Server Pages technologies uses XML-like tags and scripts written in the Java programming language to encapsulate the logic that generates the content for the pages. So we can see they use XML-like tags. So just like the HTML, you know that HTML just use XML-like taggers to describe the entire web pages. Now JSP is something just like this. It's something just like this. However, inside of the JSP, we can use the pure Java programming languages to encapsulate some business processes, and also inside of the JSPs, we can also invoke some existing Java functions or Java methods and some other components that can help us to finish some work. So this is JSP. Any and all formatting, say HTML, XML tags are passed directly back to the response pages. Okay, so by separating the page logic from its design and displaying and supporting a reusable component-based design, JSP technology makes it faster and easier than ever to build web-based applications. Now, please remember that JSP is just used to help us to design some web pages. Okay, so JSP is focused on how to display something. Now we know that sometimes we needed to incorporate inside of the JSP what some logic or pure Java programming languages we use pure Java programming languages to implement some functions or some methods, right? Of course, you can just incorporate these methods, this program, or these codes inside of the JSP, but this is not recommended. So we can, but it is not recommended. Why? We needed to separate the business logics and the displaying pages. We need to separate them. So JSP is what? JSP just focus on the displaying contents, displaying something, right? Okay, now where to implement those business logics? Something else. For example, the Java Bean. For example, the EJB. Okay. So JSP can invoke them, can use them, but we really recommend that JSP focus on the displaying. Okay, separate the business logics and the displaying. Okay, so this is JSP. Okay, read this slide carefully for 4 minutes to understand what is a JSP. In my opinion, JSP is the most important thing in J2EE. Okay, so read this slide very, very carefully.